And in this digital age, what I will tell you is what people do not like is they do not like to comb through information. And what we have is a plethora of travel information. Every one of you all should have some sort of digital product. Every one of you all should consider creating a digital product and creating some sort of membership access to that digital product. An affiliate partnership. That is really what you should consider the commission checks from your host agency as affiliates, right? So 10 to 20% of your revenue should be coming from that, or creating, like I mentioned, a membership program. And so you guys are like, many people that I talk to about this are like, well, that's really hard. Most of you all who are with host agencies, you're already in an affiliate program. They just don't call it that. That's what it is. You get a commission check. Even your suppliers, that's an affiliate program. Your suppliers give you 10%, 15%, 20%, right, for referring their property, for referring their activities. 100% of your income should not come just for that, unless of course you're doing it at scale. So the only real way to make $100,000 in income through commissions is through scale. So if you don't want to be at scale, and what I mean by scale is large volumes, you need to be selling in volume in order to hit at a 10%, we already did the math, right? At 10%, if you're getting 10% commission, let's say you're fully independent and your entire revenue stream is from commission alone. You still need to make $10 million, $1 million in sales to hit 100,000 with a 10%. I'm just going to use cruise. Like if you are a cruiser and you are fully independent and you don't have the volume, most cruise lines are going to start you at 10% commission, right? So you need to do $1 million in cruise sales in order to hit $100,000, right? The only way to do that is through volume. So unless you want to be a volume-based business, then you need to think differently in terms of how you run the business from a numbers perspective. It is my deepest desire that this is all connecting for you all, because I know not everybody is a numbers person. So if this is connecting, let me know, give me some hearts, and let me know that this is all making sense to you all. Perfect. You guys are telling me that it is. Point number 3 is perfect. Thank you, Jessica. All right. So point number 3 is around creating a systematic client acquisition framework. And what this really means is that you have a systematic way to attract your type of client. So if you have an ideal client in mind, how do you get them to raise their hand and notice you, right? Most of you all don't have a way to get people to notice you. Most advisors are marketing randomly. They're posting when they're inspired. They're hoping for inquiries. Six-figure advisors, they have a clear system for visibility, conversion, and retention. And what that looks like is visibility is you've got one platform that you consistently demonstrate your expertise.
Apply CEO to join our Travel CEO session.